Hi everybody and welcome to Panintelligence. This is the first practical in the series. For this you'll need to set up a dashboard with the training course repository built into it. There's details on our download site of how to do that. But when you've got that, you'll end up with a dashboard which looks pretty much like this. What we're going to do for this training course is we're going to jump straight to our categories and go to Practical 1. This has a set of charts on here. At the top we've got a parent chart, so if I click an element within there, I can filter that, so I can see my car insurance, and the other charts on the page will filter accordingly. I can also do drag out filters, so I can drag out a zone onto a chart. So you see me drag a little area over the chart there, and that will filter, or I can click on legend items. Now another type of filtering that we're going to use in this practical are category filters, and I'll just pin those out, top right hand corner filter button. And this is where I can select things, so I've got things like my region, I've got things like my broker. Now in this case I'm going to answer the first question, which is how much commission was made by all salespeople in Middlesbrough selling car insurance. So I'll filter to the broker Middlesbrough. I can see I've got a line for car insurance here, and over on the far right I can see I've got a total commission figure of £9,327. That's how much commission people have made selling car insurance products in Middlesbrough. So the second question here, I'm going to reset my filters, and I'm now going to have a look at the largest number of products sold in a single day in the south. So the first thing I'm going to do is filter the page just to south. So I'll select region south, click apply. All my charts will now just show me the south data. In the bottom left hand corner there's a policy count by day, and if I look for the highest value there, it's 16th of the 10th 2009, and the policy count was 30. So perfect. The most products we sold in the south in the period of the data was 30. So that's the answer. What we're then going to do is look at, again in the south, but how many car insurance products were sold by Aviva. And I can do that straight away by taking the parent chart at the top. I'm going to click on car insurance, and then I've got a chart down in the bottom right hand corner, products by insurers. I can filter that for Aviva, and if I hover over, I can see that I sold 1,242 Aviva car insurance products in the south of England. Okay, great. So again, I'll reset those filters to remove them. Final question, what was the conversion rate percentage for pet insurance products sold by K Hammond and P Dibley? This time I'll go into the salesperson filter and I'll select K Hammond, and I'll then select P Dibley. Apply that filter. All the charts on the page will just show their data now. So I want to look at the conversion rate for pet insurance. So again, I'll go to my data table, pet insurance, and I can have a look at the conversion rate. So the answer is 43%. So between them, those two salespeople, their conversion rate is 43%. Okay, great. That's a nice introduction to Panintelligence. I look forward to you joining us on the other practical.